Hi, everyone. Today we're going to take a set of data, which is from a hospital data set, and we're going to do a logistic regression analysis. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on this. So I've brought my data set into SPSS, and what I'm trying to do is predict the births or not using beds, the number of beds as a predictor. So I'm going to create a logistic regression, logistic meaning that you're going to come up with a probability equation. And I'm going to use beds as my predictor, which is my input variable. And my output variable is going to be this births or not field, which is a binary. Notice it's zeros and ones. So let's go to analyze, and we're going to click regression. And rather than doing linear regression, we're going to click binary logistic. So I'm going to click the binary logistic, and notice that my dependent variable, I'm going to drag over the births or not, which is this field at the very end. That's my binary. That's going to be my dependent. And my the way this shows up, if you don't have anything there, let me show you what this looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and drag this over. So we said that the binary variable that we were looking at is called births or not. So I'm going to click there as my dependent. And as my block, I'm going to click, this is going to be my independent or my predictor variable. And here, I think I have some options clicked with the Hosmer lemma show goodness of fit. You don't have to do that. I like to show that. Click continue. And you just simply these two, this is the most basic of a logistic regression model with your dependent variable here and your input or your predictor variable here. Now I'm going to click OK now, and you'll see that our output comes and we have all of the information with our logistic regression. Tells us how many variables were processed, the binary variable information, and then we're going to go down to the very bottom, and this is going to tell us our variables in the equation. So the variables in the equation make up our linear regression, or shall I say, logistic regression equation. In this case, our constant is negative 0.511 plus 0.004 times the number of beds. So this is my logistic regression equation down here, contained in the section that says variable in the equation. So by doing that, we've just created a logistic regression equation using my births or not binary variable as my output and my beds as a predictor. And there you have it. See you next time.